This is We Talk Football SA. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, RB Leipzig 0, 1. International friendly. My brother, I almost said 0. What can you say about today's game? How do you feel?
Quality, second team, quality.
Yeah.
Imagine what the first team was going to do to them.
Yes.
Small boys, Sundowns 2 stars for a reason.
Yes. So there is no second team at Sundowns, in fact. If it's like this.
Quality.
Yes.
Quality over quantity.
Yeah.
Count the thing. 2 stars.
So how did you win it today?
The Sundowns way.
Yeah.
The yellow way. The Brazilian way.
Yeah.
Qatar, those boys.
Shush,
the champion
shush
way.
high. Yeah.
Piano and shushan and piano.
Yeah.
Yebo.
Yes. So last week you became African champions. Today you beat the Germans. It means you are now world champions. How do you feel about it?
Great.
Yeah.
I don't even feel about it because I already know it. Time ago.
Barely winning. Yeah. No, thanks. What's your name, my brother?
Please.
This is We Talk Football SA.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.